Let's shred some zucchini and make some meatballs. I have a whole video on how to prep it, so please check that one out. Basically, you need about a cup of shredded zucchini, and to that you're going to add an egg, some breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese and seasonings. Mix that together and then add in a pound of ground beef. I like to use a cookie scoop to measure out my portions first, and then once they're measured, use my hands to roll into those perfect little meatballs. Put these out on a cookie sheet. You can put them pretty close together, and then we'll bake them for 20 minutes at 400 degrees, and then they're ready to add to your favorite sauce. You can, of course, just taste test one just to make sure they really did turn out if you'd like. Just cook up some pasta, mix it all together, and dinner is served. Enjoy.